कांय दिसां आदीं महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान गॅस पायपलायनी खातीर रस्ते फोडून दिवचे नात म्हूण सांगिल्लें. दुसरे वटेन गॅस जोडणी दिवप सक्तीचें म्हूण केंद्राचो आदेश. ताकाच लागून हें काम करचें पडटलें. आतां केस बाय केस स्टडी करून पायपलायनींचें काम करतले महापौर उलयलो.
Going to tackle this thing, PNG connections.
See, now there are two things also. Now we are not in favor of them breaking our newly laid concrete tar road. Now it took us a lot of time and a lot of effort to get those things put into place. It happened before monsoon. We are not going to allow it at all. Now whatever the considerations are, they are on their timeline. Even that I understand. But now the priority of our citizens is paramount.
PNG लाइन गलपाचे ते आमच्या वांगडा आसा. तो किस तरह से ये कनेक्शन होता है और पणजी में और कहाँ पे है?
अभी ये पणजी में तालेगांव हो गया अपना ओल्ड गोवा तक.
हाँ.
ये परवरी वाला सेक्शन छोड़ के बाकी सब में गैस चालू है.
कितना परसेंट पणजी में काम हुआ रहेगा आपका इसका लाइन का?
पणजी में हुआ है 80.
This current war situation now, the gas pipeline has. See, there have been years where nobody had wanted the gas pipeline at all, right? So the planning was done based on that. Only when there is a requirement, that is when the gas pipeline is built. Because the gas pipeline is not laid first and then they look for customers. It's based on demand that is laid. Now there are a lot of restaurants and businesses that are looking to get the gas connection. Now if you look at it, I had a meeting with a person from Goa Gas. Now any area that does not involve breaking of long stretches of road, we understand there is a need of the people and we are allowing that. Now 18 June Road, they are talking about breaking almost all of 18 June Road, which we cannot now allow 1 month before monsoon. It does not make any sense at all. So we understand that gas is a need as of now, but then we have to look at it in a very neat case by case basis also. So as and when, see, next to Gomantak building they wanted to break one small stretch of road, that we have allowed, but provided they get all the permission from all of the departments. If they have road cutting permission from PWD and reinstatement is done properly, then we don't have a problem. See, gas always have a problem when it comes to reinstatement. That is why we are not eager for them to break everything, because ultimately the blame will fall on us and then there is nothing we can do after that. So we just want people to understand that. So because of the needs of a few businesses, we cannot put the roads of all of Pancham at risk. So that is why we are not saying we are not doing it, but we will do it on a case to case basis.
Bureau Report, Prudent.